Hi Kelsey, this is Garrett Kolsick from Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. Today we are looking at a 2015 Ram 2500 with the 5.4 liter Hemi. This truck has 54,000 miles on it. It's been well cared for, a nice black metallic. The truck is in good shape in terms of body. There's no major dents, dings, or scratches. Has a new set of tires, custom wheels, nice set of running guards and fender flares. This truck is a Bighorn edition. The windshield is free of chips or any cracks of any kind. There is a small dent on the passenger side front of the bumper here. I also had noticed a small ding here below the rear window. Now this truck is set up with a 6.5-foot box and a crew cab. Interior has been cared for very well. It's never been smoked in. The previous owner did not have pets, or at least in the vehicle. No rips or any visible tears in the seats. This truck does come with cruise control, satellite radio, and Bluetooth capabilities, automatic headlights, telescopic wheel, and it does have an aftermarket trailering brake on it. Rear seats are in perfect condition, as if they've never been sat in. Carpet looks great. We'll walk around to the other side here. I'll pop the hood. You can see it has just a hair over 54,000 miles. Engine compartment is very clean. This truck has never been modified. It has the winter package with insulated battery covers and larger alternator. And that concludes our walk around video on our 2015 Ram 2500. We thank you for your interest.